Hello everyone, and welcome back to Karthik's Tech Lab. Tired of boring sending emails manually? I am going to walk you through a Google Apps script that automates sending welcome emails from a Google Sheet from laptop or from mobile. This is a fantastic way to streamline communication with your users and make them feel welcomed. Let's get started. Open Google Sheets where you want to automate the script. Name the file as you required. I am giving header in column A as a full name. I am giving header for column B as email. And at last I am giving header for column C as password. Go to Extension and select App Script. Clear all existing codes in code.js. Very first line defines a function named sendWelcomeMail, which takes an event object E as a parameter. This object contains information about the edit event in the Google Sheet. This line retrieves the active spreadsheet and the currently active sheet. This allows us to interact with the data in the sheet. Here, we get the row number of the cell that was edited. This will be useful for determining which row's data we need to access. We retrieve the value from column A, first column, which contains the full name of the user. Column B, second column, which contains the user's email address. We obtain the value from column C, third column, which contains the user's password. This conditional checks if either the email or password fields are empty. If either is missing, the function will exit early and not proceed to send the email. We define the subject line for the email that will be sent, welcoming the new user. We start defining the HTML body of the email using template literals, which allows us to easily insert variables like full name, email, and password into the email content. I am skipping the HTML code is not much important. You can refer the recorded scripting document, which is available in Google Drive. You can download for free and customize as per your requirement. This line begins a try block to attempt sending the email, and we configure the email parameters: the recipient's email, the subject, the HTML body content, and the name displayed as the sender. If there's an error while sending the email, like an invalid email address, this block will catch the error and log it for debugging. This begins the definition of another function, onEdit, which is triggered automatically whenever the spreadsheet is edited. Retrieves the currently active sheet in the spreadsheet based on the event, and we get the column number of the cell that was edited. At last, this conditional checks if the edited column is either column B, email, or column C, password. If so, it calls the sendWelcomeEmail function and passes the event object T. Now need to update the banner link for HTML view. Download any sample image for testing and save it. Then go to postimage.org website, upload the image, choose the size as per your requirement, and copy the link. Now copy the link for the site and paste the banner URL in the line 16 inside the double quotes. Now we need to set up the trigger. Trigger is when the sheet edit with new line email triggers. Select function on edit. Select event type also as edit and save. Now let's try sending email. The email has been sent successfully as rich HTML format. Now let's check in recipient email inbox. Email has hit the recipient inbox successfully. Using this method, you can send email automatically. We'll see you in next video. Using this sheet will be able to sending emails from mobile. I have given the complete script in the description. It's free to use. Happy learning. Hit like, subscribe if you found this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.